Hey everyone, how are you doing? It's the time of festivities and it's me Suparna back again with you today, sharing some of my favorite beauty products and also reviewing some latest purchases and also making a lot of beauty and makeup tutorials just for you. So today I have reviewed this particular product by HUDA Beauty. It's a 4-filter foundation in stick form, and as you can see, this is a very interesting shape, like a rectangle, like a cuboid, I don't know what to call it, and that's the product in there. So you twist it out and it comes out, and then you apply it on your face and blend it either with a brush or your fingers or the sponge, whichever way you like. I have used a sponge in this video, but I think, women who are running against time and who can't, keep a track of their makeup things, for them, this is like a very good purchase. And I would like you to now see my makeup video. I have used this product, then I've set it. I have also done my full makeup after using this product, so you will know how it works with other products. And well, the finish is right here in front of you, how it looks on my face. You can see it right here in this video itself. And this particular shade is Baklava. I have this 4-filter foundation by HUDA Beauty in Butter Pecan also, and I have made a video on that before, and this is the one which I believe is like, closer to my complexion, Baklava. So you can just see the video and like, comment and subscribe if you like it. And thank you so much. So here is that HUDA Beauty foundation 4-filter stick, and this is what it looks like. You need to rotate the base to get the product out. This ombre plastic body, and then there is the product right here, and the shade's name is Baklava. A swatch of this on my cheek. So here is the swatch of Baklava, and now I'm going to just apply it all over my face. This is being used for the very first time, and what I do is I evenly, with this product, I make long streaks on my face, on my chin. Wherever I need coverage, I apply it. Also on my nose, side of my nose. And then also on the forehead. So I put the rest back inside. Also just put a little quantity on my neck. Secure it back. The good thing is that, it comes with a magnetic sort of a cap. So you just put it like that and press, and it clicks shut. Then with my beauty blender, I blend this foundation out. And this is quite a thick formula from what I can tell. And the coverage is medium from what I can tell. It's the winter season and one is hardly seeing the sunlight. That is why I'm a little on the lighter side complexion wise, and it does blend very well. For a stick foundation, it blends extremely well. And this is just the first layer. I think I would just apply a little bit here on this side of my face, because I do have a blemish here and a blemish here as well. And just just to show you how much quantity comes for the amount you pay for this stick. That's quite a lot. And the Huda Beauty 4 Filter Foundation, the liquid one, has 35 ml of product, and it I think retails for about 3,600, and this one retails for about 3,200. So but that is a very long lasting product. I don't know for how long this is going to last, but one has to like consistently use it to know as to what is the longevity of this product, right? It does give a decent coverage, though I don't think it's full coverage. So if your skin is you know, in need of some serious coverage, maybe this foundation is not for you. All you can do is you know, maybe conceal your blemishes first and then go in with this foundation, because on its own I don't think it covers the blemishes that well, but it does give a very natural look to the skin. And I am really loving the way this foundation is looking on my face. For a stick foundation, I think it's a very good foundation. So that is all the product that I'm going to use for this video tutorial, because I don't want to go in heavy with this foundation. I'll say one thing about this shade though, which is Baklava. It's an exact match for my skin tone, and I should just I'll just give you a closer look of my skin. So you can see the coverage is moderate, but the shade looks damn good. I'll quickly complete the rest of my makeup. So just quick highlighting with my Age Rewind concealer, Fit Me. We should just set this with our setting powder under the eyes, and I do my makeup very fast because I have a small son and he's really holding his patience right now. Quick contour. Blend. This is the contour kit I'm using. This is by LA Girl. It's Pro Contour Powder, and this is a bomb product. Very good for you know, for highlighting and contouring. Now quick bronzing with my Natural palette by Too Faced. And I'll just take this particular shade. I'm sorry for the glare. Warm my forehead. Warm the sides of my cheeks. Warm my jawline. And my boy is laughing. Now just a little bit of blush. Since you know the foundation is the star of this show, I don't want to go too heavy with my face makeup. And now just I'll highlight with this particular highlighter, and I like to use my finger for that because then the quantity is just right. I don't believe in you know, going in with too much product. And of course, you know, my experience has led me to such amazing discoveries that less is more, and sometimes the finger does the job. especially, you know, all those people who don't have fancy brushes. You know, sometimes using your fingers is the best thing, especially, you know, when you're applying eyeshadow and you need to put that you know, base, not the base, the main lid color. I think that the ring finger is the best tool to apply that. That's my face makeup done. I'll just set it with a setting spray and I'll be back with my review. So this is the final look after having used this Faux Filter Stick Foundation by Huda Beauty in Baklava 340G. And I love the way, you know, the rest of the things sit on it, the way they have blended in this foundation. It's a pretty good foundation. It's not heavy at all. It is very light on the skin and it gives a very natural look to the skin. It gives a very natural appearance to the skin. The only issue with this foundation is that you know, really strong blemishes, really pigmented blemishes, it may not able to hide, but it definitely doesn't cause any cakiness or any creasing or any wrinkling of any sort. So that way it sits pretty well, and the products that I've used on it, on top of it, have actually performed very, very well. So from my side, if I'm having a good skin day, I would actually like to go with this foundation. This has been, you know, widely acclaimed world over by many YouTubers, and I can see why. It is, no doubt, it's a great foundation, and Huda has got her you know, complexions game right on with respect to foundations and their shades. The shades are pretty darn good. However, I just wish the coverage was better, because I do have, you know, a pimple which is gone, but the blemish is quite deep. So either I color correct it or I conceal it with the concealer first and then go in with this, and then maybe I'll get the desired coverage. So if you like my video, like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you next time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.